friends, I have our day 19 math work, and we have been adding a lot of 3-digit numbers the past few days. Today we are going to start subtracting them. So Sally has 176 star stickers. Show Sally's stickers. So I'm going to draw it out. 1 in the hundreds place, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And 6 in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, Sally gives 115 of her stickers to Franco. Write an equation that represents the problem. So she started with 176, and then she gives 115 to Franco, and we're going to figure out what she has left. How many does Sally have left? Solve the problem. You can use your sticker drawing to help you. Use equations to show your work. So I'm going to use this drawing that I've already done, and I'm going to put my equations with it down here. So we know that we're taking away 100. So I can X out that, and I could do 176 minus 100. It said to use equations, so that's what I'm going to do. And now I'm just left with 70 and 6. Now we also are getting rid of a 10. Should have labeled all of these. All right, so we had to get rid of a 10 because there's 1 10 and 115. So we have 76. Now we've taken away 10, and that leaves us with 66. And last thing, we need to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are just left with 1. So we had 66, and then we took away 5, and we are left with 61. So that's one way you could use equations to help you and your stickers. Oh, and I should put in my blank, Sally is left with 61. Next, Jake has 264 stickers. We're going to show Jake's stickers. 200, 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, Jake gives 120 stickers to Kira. Write an equation that represents the problem. Okay, so we had 264, and he gives 120 to Kira. So we're going to figure out what he has left. And just like last time, how many does Jake have left? Solve the problem. You can use your sticker drawing to help you. Use equations to show your work. So I've already got my drawing up here. I don't have to draw it again, but I'm going to put my equations down here just like last time. So we're going to take away 100. So this time I'm going to do my equations just a little different. I'm going to do them in hundreds, tens, and ones. So we started with 200, and we're taking away 100. And we are left with 100. Because if you have 2 minus 1, it's 1. Now, my tens place. We're going to take away 10, 20. 2 groups of 10. So we started with a 60 in the tens place, and we took away 20, and now we are left with 40. All right, and now the ones, 4 minus 0, I don't have to do anything with those, so I still have 4 in my ones place. Now I'm just going to put these back together. Last time I didn't have to put them back together because I left them together. I separated it out this time. So I need to put my hundreds, tens, and ones back together so we will have a little bit of addition. It's expanded form. 100 plus 40 plus 4. 144. And I'll put that in my blank here. We're going to do another one of these. This time Sally has 388 cat stickers. Show Sally's stickers. 300, 100, 200, 300. 88, so 80, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we've got Sally's stickers. She gives 150 of them to Kira. So she started with the 388 and she gives away 150. How many does Sally have left? Just like before, we can use our stickers up here. We're going to use equations. So we're starting with 388. I'm going to keep that together this time, kind of like I did on the first one. And we're going to start by taking away 100. So I took away one of the groups of 100. And now I'm left with 288. You can just look and see what stickers are left to know how much is left. Now I need to take away 50 from the tens place. So 288, we're going to take away 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And if you go from the biggest number and go down, the reason I'm doing that, it'll tell you just exactly how many you have left. You could start here and go up, but then you would have to be careful counting how many are left. This one just tells me 10, 20, 30. So I'm still left with the 238. And like the one we just did, we're taking away, we have 8 ones and we're taking away 0. So we still are left with 8. We don't have to do anything to those ones. So we are left with 238. The last one we're going to do. Franco has 680 train stickers. We're going to have to draw a lot of sheets this time. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. And 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now he gives 350 of his stickers to Kira. So he started with 680 that we just drew, and now he's giving away 350, and we're gonna see what's left. So this time, I'm going to just start with my hundreds again, kind of like I did on the second problem. 600, and we're going to take away 300. 100, 200, 300. And in the hundreds place, we are just left with 300, which makes sense because 6 minus 3 is 3. Now for the tens place, we have 80 in this tens place minus 50 in what we're taking away is 10 place. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 leaves us with 30. And now we have 0 minus 0, which is 0. I'm going to put these together. 300 plus 30 plus 0. The reason I'm having to put these together is I separated them out. So now I have to put them back together. If you don't separate them out, you don't have to do that. 330.